up, guys, and welcome back to Knowledge. Now, I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but I want to make it up to you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you my personal project. Been a work in progress, been in the shop for about 5 months now, getting extensive work done. But today we'll be taking a look, showing you kind of what's still left to do, all of what we've done to it, and some of my future plans. So without any further ado, let me introduce you to my personal project, my 2004 Mercedes-Benz E55 AMG. One of my absolute favorite thing about this car has got to be the stance. My buddy down in San Diego, Adam, with SoCal Tire Studio, helped me get the stance dialed in with lowering links. We've got it sitting on these BBS LM replicas. For everyone asking, they are reps. They are not real BBS, but I will have a new wheel and tire setup coming soon. They're 19 by 8.5 front, 19 by 9.5 rear, with a plus 35 offset all around. And I've got them wrapped in these Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires. If you haven't noticed, I did just get a nail in the tire. Kind of broke my heart, but life goes on. Also done motorsport hardware, stud conversion for all the wheels with extended lugs. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations for brake upgrades. I'm thinking of doing something with the pad compound. For rotors, I'll probably stay with stock or the OEM AMG and go through FCP Europe for those. They've got a great warranty program, so I'll likely be going through FCP Euro for the rotors. But again, if you guys have any recommendations of different compounds for brake pads, companies, things like that, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to try those out and let you guys know what I think about them. If you guys are wondering about these tires, I absolutely love them. Continental did a fantastic job with the Extreme Contact Sports. I've not only had them on this car, but I also had them on my 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport. Love them on there as well. So I'll probably be using these tires on every performance-based car that I have moving forward. Many of you may or may not know the E55 AMG comes stock with dual quad tailpipes, but to do something different, we decided to go with these matte black tips. So I did do a muffler delete. Sounds pretty good. I do still have stock cats and resonators in place. I am going to be changing up the exhaust soon, but for now, I'm liking the way it sounds. Gives it a little bit more aggression, a little bit more rumble, but not droney, not too crazy on the street. Another thing that I added was this carbon fiber rear lip spoiler from Souvenir. Absolutely amazing quality, great fitment, and contours perfectly with the stock third brake light. Mirror caps, these are in a kind of a simulated forged carbon look. Again, wanted to go with something different. Everybody's got the carbon fiber. Wanted to be a little unique and stand out from the crowd a bit, but without going too crazy on this. So I think it came out pretty good. Again, may not be something I would keep for the long run, but I really like the way that it came out for now. Also coming around front, have the gloss black grille. The E55 comes stock with a chrome grille. We also did a TriStar hood emblem delete in favor of the AMG emblem there. Coming inside, it's pretty stock. It does have that aging AMG door hinge crackle. It's like an old man's knuckles cracking. I guess it's got arthritis here after many years of use, Got the AMG sport pedals there. Inside definitely has seen better days. I try to keep it clean as I can, but the driver's seat definitely needs to be reupholstered, and I'm hoping to do something with a new steering wheel here. The stock one, it's okay, but I definitely want a more sporty feel, so maybe an upgraded AMG one with some Alcantara. Passenger seat isn't so bad. Headrest looks great. Most of the leather is good, although the seat bottom is starting to get a bit brittle. It's not as supple as I would like, but I do have the AMG floor mats there. Not sure if they're real. They may be some replicas. They don't have the greatest fit, so I may be looking to do something with that soon too, but door seals are in great condition. AMG door sills are in great condition. All of the door cards, immaculate. I do make sure that I go through and clean these and add conditioner to them so that we can get the UV protection properties, so that in this California summer sun, we're not abusing the interior materials too bad there. Rear seat is completely stock in fairly good condition for its age. I just threw some leather conditioner on here. It is, the leather isn't exactly snapping back after some things have been sitting on that for a little while, though. Don't mind my grocery bag. The other thing we've got to do is do something about this headliner. It's starting to sag, starting to show some wear, showing its age for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna do a kind of a DIY approach and just try to throw some more adhesive on there, or have the upholstery shop that takes care of my driver's seat to just take care of the headliner there. Now under the hood, we have the legendary M113K motor, 5.4 liter supercharged V8, hand built in Alfachterbach, Germany. It's good for about 469 horsepower, I believe, just about 500 foot-pounds of torque. That is at the crank. I've yet to get this car dyno tuned, but again, that is something that we're going to be looking to do there in the future, pretty soon, hopefully in the future. But in terms of what the major surfaces that I had it in the shop for, it was in the shop for about 5 months. I put it in mid to late October. I just got it back about a week or so ago now, so that puts us at about mid-March. So what this car needed was an entirely new heart. That's right, it needed an entirely new engine. I brought it in for service. The supercharger pulley was making a little bit of noise. I understood that it probably just needed a new bearing, and while it was in, I wanted to take care of some common items, new spark plugs, oil change, just a basic tune-up. But while it was there, my guy Mike over at Bins Tech, shout out to Mike at Bins Tech, told me that after doing a compression test and boroscoping all cylinders, that there was severe wear and scoring on cylinder number 8. So after hearing that, instead of looking to do a rebuild of the motor, I elected to just get an entirely new motor, or rather new to me. So after doing some scouring on the internet, found this unit, found this heart right here out of a CLS, I forget the year, but I got it out of a CLS in Minneapolis, 90,000 miles down from 188,000 miles. And this motor has also received new oil pan, resealed, spark plugs. We went ahead and did a new pulley on the supercharger, since that's what it was in there for originally anyway. New valve cover gasket seals, new supercharger pulley belt, also new serpentine belt, and a slew of other common wear items, so that I can expect many years of hopefully trouble-free miles out of this vehicle, of which I love so much. I mean, just look at this thing, guys. Look at that stance. Look at the wheels. I don't care if they're not real BBS. The real BBS, or maybe some rotiforms are on their way soon, but I mean, just look at this thing. It sits great. It drives great. It's reliable. It really gives me no issues, especially for a weekend car. Shines up amazingly. I get a ton of looks, a ton of questions about it, and I really couldn't be more in love with this car. That being said, as you've seen, there are some issues with it. One of not being the automatic trunk. Automatic trunk works perfectly. Every now and again it does hiccup on the way down. It seems like it wants you to spend a bit more time pressing and holding the button, but otherwise I have no issues with it. Closes fine. No issues with seals. No issues with wind noise. No weird vibrations. I love this thing. V8 compressor, supercharged V8, 5.4 liter AMG hand-built goodness. Thoroughly a German muscle car. But doors close perfectly. Nice confident thud from them. And I mean, just look at this thing, guys. So this is my baby. This is my pride and joy for the moment. And we're only going to be looking to make her better. So comment and let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if there's any upgrades that you think I should be doing. Oh, by the way, before we get too far, we will be adding long tube headers, as well as an intake system for this. I'm thinking about the complete carbon fiber intake with the inline air filters there. And then I'm also gonna, like I said, add the long tube headers, and then we're gonna go with a cat and well, you actually have to do it, but it'll be a cat and resonator delete, and then I'll probably upgrade the tune as well. And I'm also looking to do a transmission tune from TJ Mary. So again, let me know what you guys think about this. If there's any upgrades that you think I should be eyeballing, considering, if you know any good interior shops for my upholstery work that needs to be done, if you know any good detailers that can help me get some of the little scratches and swirls out of here. I know it's kind of hard to see with the silver paint. I do try to take care of it, but I know that they're there, and she can definitely be a little bit better. So we want to get this thing dialed in. I want to take you guys on the journey with me and see how this thing progresses over time. It's only going to get better from here, guys. So again, appreciate you watching. If you've made it this far, please like and subscribe the video. It helps me out immensely. So that was just a quick look at my 2004 E55 AMG. Again, this is going to be an ongoing series. I want to keep you guys updated as I make different modifications, changes, any routine maintenance. I want to get it detailed, so I want to take you guys along for the ride. So if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.